Let's look at what happened with Tesla and NVIDIA today and also some other stocks. Tesla is down $5.49, 2.28%, closed at $234.96. So we are continuing our way down. It looked like we wanted to bounce on 37. This is what I had mentioned yesterday. And I mentioned if you want to be sure that it's a bounce, wait, go into the 1 hour chart and look at the horizontal resistance at 242 right here, the congestion zone resistance. And if we break above, then get back in. We did not break above. You should not have gotten back in. Boom, Tesla is gone in terms of the rebound. In terms of the rebound, it did not happen. So the next stop for Tesla is 226.85. And we are going to take a look exactly at the same thing when we are going to get close to 226.85. Are we going to bounce? We are going to switch to the 1 hour chart to find an early entry to trade a little bit of the bounce. So we can trade on the daily chart for longer term swings, and we can trade on the 1 hour chart for shorter term swings. But right now, nothing to do with Tesla. Don't touch this one with a 10-foot pole. Let's take a look at the VIX. VIX is continuing down, so this is helping the stock market. 2.3%, closed at 1277. We are getting back down to 1264. Stochastic has been lost. We are outside of our bullish channel. We are happy. We are happy that this is going down. This will help the stock market. Today, everything is pretty much down, but this is good as a whole. Let's take a look at the 10-year bonds. 10-year bonds, break 4.1. That's fine. So we are basically into a congestion zone, entering a congestion zone. This is just going sideways. US dollar standing sideways. There's no stochastic, so we cannot conclude yet that we have enough move. We are going to conclude when we start breaking the horizontal resistance that we have right here. This is when, I'm going to put it right here. So at 103.756, when we start breaking that, if we have stochastic over 60, then we might be thinking that that the trend is going higher. Let's look at our EV stocks. Okay, Rivian just going sideways right now, but don't touch this one at all. Xpeng seems to be stabilizing a little bit above $12. We have two candles that are side by side after the big move that we had last week. So this week we are stabilizing at least, but don't enter this one yet. NIO, the same thing with NIO. It's too bad because we had a nice move up and it seemed like we wanted to break 923. We broke it for 2 days. We zigzagged around it. Went higher, lower, and then poof, we started losing everything. VinFast, after we have lost 733, so this one is gone, so we should not take a look at that either. Apple. Okay, so Apple has several congestion zones. It has this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, but the real one is that one. The real one is at 182.87. And now we are above that number. We still don't have stochastic. You can do the 1 hour trick right here and go on the 1 hour chart to see if this would be a decent move up. But we have a bit of resistance and support right here. Boom. If you want to get an early entry, quick move, a quick trade right here at 185.62. Let me make sure that this is the right number. 185.62 is the number to break. For quick swing on the 1 hour chart, we already have a stochastic over 60. That would be one thing that you can do. ARM is cooling down a little bit after the big move we had yesterday, down 1.3%. Palantir still in its downward channel. Don't touch that one. NVIDIA, we are continuing our move. This is fantastic. We are continuing our move. This is the current channel that we are following right now. So yes, it's possible that it caves down a little bit. This was a significant move. Let's hope that it holds a little bit. Let's look at our stock indices. So Dow Jones going sideways, S&P going sideways, NASDAQ rebounding a little bit more. There's the CES. There's CES, so maybe this is going to help a little bit the buyers come into the tech stocks a little. Gold, nothing to see here, going sideways, and silver is going down. It could go down as low as 761 easily. Bitcoin, we had our buy impulse last Friday. Now we are pulling back a little bit. Let's hope that the buy impulse stays at 44,706 as a support. Ripple, we are still above support at 54.8. And Tesla, nothing good is happening so far, even though we had a beat in terms of the deliveries and everything. So we have the earnings call January 29th. So maybe we are going to just hang low until then. And we are going to see if we are going to get some impact on the profits and revenues and all of that because of the earnings beat. So this will be interesting to look at that. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.